Hi guys, it's Teja. So this is my annual end of year video. This is 20 days of 2020. I started this in 2016. So 16 days of 2016 से 20 हो गया है. So I basically made a mistake. I knew this was going to increase by one day every year. This has been the weirdest year ever, and usually whenever I make these videos, I list down the days that I want to include and I always go overboard by 4 or 5 days, but this time I had exactly 20. They're not like the most eventful days, but overall I think I had a really nice year. I went deeper and I introspected a lot, and I think I gave myself some time to become better at dealing with my anxiety and life mein thoda chill marna, while at the same time getting my confidence back and going forward in life. So here is 20 days of 2020. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and let's begin. My birthday, 1st Jan. Last year I did something really fun in this room only. I just got called 6 or 7 friends of mine, my closest friends, and just decorated this room like a nightclub. I didn't want to do a big party because I have really few friends anyway, and I thought ki even if log come hai and mera hi birthday, but I'm still going to be excited and just try and have a good time. So it was really nice. I thought ki next year मैं बड़ी party करूँगी, but lol, this year भी वही 5 ही लोग आ रहे हैं. So 2nd Jan. So this was a really special chill day. I went to this really nice place called Champa Gali in Delhi. It's super chill. It's very बहुत artsy, pretty सी जगह है. मैंने वहाँ बहुत videos भी बनाए हैं. That day I didn't film anything or do anything. I was just hanging out with a friend, and it was just the nicest day ever. We chilled, had coffee, played with dogs on the street, and it was just, I still think it's one of my best days of the year. 1st Feb. This is when I went to IIT Kharagpur for Engineering Girls Season 2 for the promotional event. Now Season 2 still hasn't come. Don't ask me, I have no idea when it's going to come out. Also, a couple of days later, so I'm going to club it into one, I went to IIM Bangalore, and for another event I went to Under 25. In these events, I genuinely felt like such a star. We went to promote a show and I had this insane entry, and the audience response was crazy, and I've never felt like that before. I genuinely, it was insane, all my dreams come true kind of feeling. It was really, really crazy. Feb 7, shooting Aisi Hoon. This is basically the whole Aisi Hoon Creators for Change project with Michelle Obama was quite crazy. Firstly, the fact that I even got the opportunity was really insane. It's that top thing that I add in my CV, that I worked with Michelle Obama and her foundation. The whole song, the whole story was so cool to make. हमारे पास इतना कम time था to make the whole song, and I was so stressed out. I was literally crying every day, but then it still happened. I had a good budget to shoot the song, so we came here back in Delhi, did a 3-day shoot, and I felt like such a cool person because I was producer of the song. मैं आराम से बैठी हुई थी, and I had a crew to do all the work. Quite different from my regular setup because I do everything on my own, so I felt really cool. I felt like a boss, and it was awesome. 15th Feb, which was Lakme Fashion Week. Again, this was really crazy. This was my first time at Lakme Fashion Week, and I was invited by 2 designers, front row, which is crazy, okay? The first time I went for Fashion Week, I was in college. मैं college के बाद change करके गई थी metro में, and no one cared about me at all, and I didn't know anyone. I was so scared, so embarrassed to just be there. It was the worst day ever. I felt so low. Thought कि हाँ, किसी दिन a designer will invite me for their show, and it happened, and it felt so cool. Number 6 is 19th March, the day I came back home because of the lockdown. This is where the video kind of takes a different turn. A bunch of my friends came back home on the same day. It felt really relaxing because I knew that iske baad thodi indefinite chutti hai, so I don't have to be so stressed all the time, because before that in Mumbai I was stressed all the time, and now I knew I could take a breather, and puri duniya ki chutti hai, so I can also take a breather. So next is not a particular date, it's just the whole month of April. So it was really tough because the freaking lockdown happened, and then both the shock of not being able to see your friends when they live literally 5 minutes away, or not being able to do anything, not being able to shoot properly, was really hard to adjust to. I was pissed off. I was really pissed off, but I was happy because I started some good things. I started working out, and I'm still working out, which is huge. And also I felt really chill. I came back to shooting with just me and my tripod on a regular basis, and that's what I love doing the most. that's just my jam. मैंने start वैसे किया and that's my favorite thing to do, so I felt happy about that. Oh, 1st June, number 8. This day, very random day. Lockdown में वैसे ज़्यादा कुछ करने को था नहीं, except for me, I had to make a lot of videos. But this day, बहुत crazy बारिश पड़ रही थी and a double rainbow came. I know it was just like half an hour from the day, but I was chilling with my parents, हमने पकोड़े खाए थे, and just like rain and nature just makes me really happy. So next is again July. Now this is जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था ना, so content creators को सब यही बोल रहे हैं, oh the whole world is watching now, it's your time to make more content, and that pissed me off so much. It put so much pressure. I was like नहीं, I have to pump out content like crazy, and it put so much pressure on me that I got so much crazy anxiety उसकी वजह से. So I thought I can't deal with this anymore, I'm going to take a break. And I took a month-long break starting July, and it was really good for me, genuinely. I thought it was my best decision. At that time, I decided to meditate, give myself a break mentally. And even though I was taking a break, I didn't want to be in FOMO about not being productive. Like, I hate the word hustle. I hate like this productivity, like shit that you constantly have to do. And I thought I gave myself to some time to like become better at that, and that's helped me so much. And also actually all through the lockdown was also watching way too many movies with people on video calls, which is the most fun thing to do. Number 10, July 18th. So this was my first like cover shoot. This is for a magazine called Just a Bean. See, मैं इतना casually बोल रही हूँ like magazine cover shoot, what the heck? Because of the lockdown, कोई proper shoot नहीं हो सकता था, so we had to send our pictures from home. That was the first shoot I did. I called my friend Banika to do the photo shoot at home. Got some amazing outfits. Cool thing is, after that, so many more covers happened for me. This was always such a big dream for me. Number 11, 25th July. These days are very random, guys. Nothing special. A friend of mine came over. We were just hanging out in the park. This is also the day I purchased my new camera, which has genuinely changed my life because I have a flip screen now. It's made filming so much more fun for me, and I've upgraded my setup, which I think is the best thing I've done in this year. And it's made the whole filming process fun for me. पहले मुझे irritation होती थी. Okay, number 12, August 4. So this was the day Maitri, my mom's channel, was launched. Really happy because I'm the co-founder of the channel, and I've been like pushing her to do this for a really long time. And I felt fucking cool because I shared all my knowledge with her, and I'm kind of like a mentor. It has a downside. वो अपनी सारी problems मेरे पर डालते रहती हैं, which is okay. But I felt really cool because her second life sort of started. Okay, so next, number 13 is like really vague again. All through August to September, like I told you, my new setup. I'm really happy with the videos I've made. Really happy. I've just had a new motivation to make more videos. I've been less scared to make videos because of the fear that, oh shit, people won't like them. And I think I've been more myself. And I've really enjoyed making my videos since then. So yeah, 1st September. This is when we shot the YouTube Fan Fest Aisi Hoon acoustic performance. Dude, that day was so great because we recorded the audio also in this room with the Jugadu setup, and we did the shoot in my living room. And that video is genuinely one of my best videos. एक तो बहुत अच्छा गाया है उसमें मैंने. I also have no critique for myself, and I was really happy because I started doing my music lessons through the lockdown. And that's really shown in my performance. Number 15, 1st October, the Fit Look cover shoot. Like I said, another cover shoot. This was again a dream come true. This was a proper shoot. तो actually जाने को मिला. It was my dad's birthday also. We celebrated his birthday on set, and बहुत ही insane experience था. Like cover girl of the day. Like it was so insane, literally dream come true. Number 16, October 7th. This was the day I wrote Khali Khali. Randomly, I wrote Khali Khali in my balcony, sent it to Bharat and a few of my friends, and it was really crazy because I was writing like little tidbits, bad songs throughout the lockdown and working on my music lessons, but I never thought that मैं पूरा अच्छा गाना actually लिख सकती हूँ. 23rd October, my little Jaipur trip. This was my first trip that I did in the lockdown. I went with my friend Karthik. हमने कुछ नहीं किया उस पूरे ट्रिप पे. हम बस घास पे लेटे हुए थे और चिल कर रहे थे, and हमने छोटी सी रोड ट्रिप करी थी. And I love non-eventful things like these because I love to chill, and I was going with a friend that I've known for so long, and we really had a good time. Okay, number 18, 21st November. My school friend Saloni, she's been in some vlogs also. She randomly came over. It was such a nice day because I met my bachpan ki friend, and that's the best thing about the lockdown. वो यहाँ नहीं रहती, but she came back home, so I got to chill with her. पीछे जो forest है वहाँ walk करने गए, and हमने बहुत मजे करे उस दिन. Number 19, 27th November, the release, Khali Khali release day, which was so crazy because that whole premiere thing was so freaking dramatic. It was great. The response was crazy. So many people made reels, DMs. आज तक लोग मेरे को reels, DMs भेजते रहते हैं, which is like insane. And I never thought that I would get that kind of response to this song. It's really crazy. People are doing covers, reaction videos, and so thank you for like doing all of that. The last one. 7 December, my ad film shoot for the Beauty Co. I am the brand ambassador for the Beauty Co. this year, which is again insane. मैं casually बोल रही हूँ, but it's really insane. I'm so grateful for the opportunity. They had an amazing, huge ad film shoot, which was my last vlog, and I flew to Mumbai for that, and it was such an insane thing, dude. Again, all my like dance alone in my bathroom dreams were kind of coming true. So I guess that's it. Those were my 20 days. This has been a really fucked up, like really weird year, but I think it's done me personally a lot of good, and it's given me a lot of peace of mind and clarity, which I think I'm going to take to the next year as well. I really just hope कि COVID खत्म हो जाए next year में, so that I can hang out with people. I hope you guys have a super new year, happy new year, and see you in my next video. Bye. Subscribe, bell button.